In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to enable Respondus LockDown Browser to a test in Blackboard. This video will cover 3 steps: preparation, setup, and verification. This process should take a few minutes to do. Please note that this video assumes that you already know how to create and deploy tests in Blackboard. For more information on creating and deploying tests in Blackboard, please refer to the links in the video description below. Before enabling LockDown Browser, check that you have the following. First, you already want to have a Blackboard test created and deployed in your Blackboard course. Second, you want to have the LockDown Browser download link available. Post the download link to your course so that your students can download and install LockDown Browser to their computers. Without LockDown Browser, your students will not be able to take a Blackboard test, which requires LockDown Browser. Please refer to the LockDown Browser setup guide for the download link. In this demo, I have a 3-question test called Test 1. This test is deployed in the Weekly Modules section. However, this test is not yet available to students. I'll make this test available to students once LockDown Browser is enabled. To enable LockDown Browser for a test, navigate to the Course menu and click Course Tools. Next, scroll down and locate and then click Respondus LockDown Browser. This is the Respondus LockDown Browser dashboard page. This is where LockDown Browser can be enabled for tests in a course. This first page displays resources related to Respondus LockDown Browser. Click on Continue to LockDown Browser on the lower right. The dashboard displays a list of tests which are already deployed in the course. In this example, there is only one test deployed in the course. Therefore, it's the only test that I can apply LockDown Browser to. To enable LockDown Browser for a test, first locate the test on the list, and then click the chevron, and then click Settings. When the options are displayed, click Require Respondus LockDown Browser for this exam. Do not worry about the additional options displayed. Lastly, click Save and Close on the lower left to continue. At this point, Test 1 now requires LockDown Browser. Now that LockDown Browser is enabled for the test, return to the location where the test is deployed to make the test available to students and to review the test settings. To review the test settings, click on the chevron next to the test's name, and then click Edit Test Options. On the next page, scroll down to the Availability section, and then click Yes to the option called Make this link available. Continue scrolling down the page to review your test settings. One thing to note is the Password field section. After enabling LockDown Browser to a test, LockDown Browser will generate a special password as seen in this text field below. Do not modify or remove this password. This password is used by Respondus LockDown Browser to enter the test. Also, do not provide this password to students. Once the test settings are verified, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Submit on the lower right. At this point, the test is now available to students and will also require the use of Respondus LockDown Browser.